Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this tablet. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case Gallery. Now click on this square button and click on this little icon at the top right corner of your app. As you can see now, I can use it in this little window. If you wish to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button or on this little icon at the top left corner. You can access it by clicking on the bubble. You can also use it to overlay the other app by clicking on the other one and operating in both. If you wish to make your app full screen, tap on the top left corner. In order to close it, select this X at the top right one. You can even change placement of your app by holding this line and dragging it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!